Today, let me show you how I made this delicious pork in Chile Verde. It's pork meat in green chili sauce. Super delicious. The pork is very tender and the sauce is made with tomatillo, and let me tell you, it's amazing. I have here 3 pounds of pork. You can basically use any pork that you like. This is pork stew meat. I was wanting to go for the ribs, but I couldn't find any boneless ones. And those are the ones that I like. So I'm just going to use these for today. And now I'm going to take this to the stove. Adding the meat to my pan. And I'm just going to add some salt. Adding in 1 garlic clove, a piece of onion, and 2 laurel leaves. Adding in 1 cup of water. I'm going to cover this. My heat is at a medium, and I'm going to let this cook for 40 minutes. While the meat is cooking, I'm going to roast the tomatillos. I will be using 15 tomatillos. I'll just be flipping them around until they get nice and toasted. Now they are nice and toasted. You know when they are done, when they change color and they are soft. Now I'll be removing them and placing them in my bowl. I'm also going to toast up 3 garlic cloves, 2 chile de arbol, and 1 jalapeño. You can add as much as little chilies as you want. The chile de arbol I'll be removing first because those do tend to toast faster, and then I'll be removing the rest. I'm going to add all this to my blender. I'm adding in half a cup of water and a pinch of salt. And now I'm just going to blend this until it's well blended. And now this sauce is done. And after 40 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid. And I'm just going to let this cook until the water completely dries out. At this point, I'm removing the laurel. The garlic and the onion will stay in there. Now that the water has dried out, I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm going to cook this until the meat browns. And once the meat has browned, it's time to add in the sauce. To this, I am going to add a little bit more water, about half a cup. I'm going to mix this together. Covering this, and I'm going to let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the meat is nice and tender. It's been 30 minutes, so now I'm going to check. The meat is now tender, so this is done. And now this pork in salsa verde is done and it's ready to enjoy. What's a meal without tortillas? So let's make some. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this together. I added in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, slightly melted, and now I'm just going to mix it into the flour. To this, I'm adding in 3/4 cup of very hot milk. And I'm going to mix it with the fork first because it is super hot. Once it cools down slightly, I'll be using my hand to mix. You shouldn't need any more liquid, but if you do, go ahead and add a little bit more at a time. Once I get it all mixed in together, I'm going to knead it for 5 minutes. And then I'll be forming 8 dough balls. You should get about 8 tortillas out of this recipe. I'll be placing them in my bowl. I'm going to cover this with some plastic wrap and let it rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add flour to my surface and I'm just going to roll it out. I already have my comal preheating. It's on a medium. And I'll just be placing it on my comal. And then once it starts showing bubbles, I am going to speed this up a little bit so you can see that it's showing the bubbles. Once it shows those bubbles, flip it over and your tortilla should puff all nice and beautiful. You can also just stretch out the dough if you don't want to roll it out with your roller. And repeat the same process. And if you prefer to have corn tortillas, look for my video. I have already posted a recipe on that. And now let's try it. I got my flour tortilla because I do prefer flour. Let's get some sauce on here. The sauce looks delicious. The pork is so tender. The flavor, like you can taste. I love the flavor of tomatillo. I really do. In anything, enchiladas, salsas, it really complements a dish. And this here, yeah, I can definitely taste the tomatillo, but it has super great flavor. It's really delicious, really delicious. I hope that you like it. I hope that you make this recipe. And if you do, let me know and leave a comment below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. And hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. We'll see you next time. Bye.